Hello and welcome to Gyan Vihar University. I am Dr. Mahendra Kumar Dhakar, Assistant Professor, Gyan Vihar School of Education. Friends, today we discuss about chakras, mandals and archons. The chakra in the human body are related to specific energy and consciousness to endocrine glands, colors, and psychic features. It is not always obvious to look for a linear connection between these systems because the whole is more than the sum of the parts. If we tear out one part in order to analyze it, we might forget what its function is in relation to the whole. We can dissect a human body based upon the different biological system or upon the different organs or upon the different cells, but this would not explain a living being. Be aware that every explanation of the chakras in a approximation of what they really are. The chakra in human body are related to specific energy and consciousness to endocrine gland, colors and psychic feature. It is not always obvious to look for a linear connection with these systems because the whole is more than the sum of the parts. If we tear out one part in order to analyze it, we might forget what its function is in relation to whole. Okay. What is above is below. In the cosmos, everything is present in everything. Macrocosmos and microcosmos have the same nature. Microcosmos and macrocosmos have the same nature. The laws of the microcosmos are also present in the macrocosmos. At the source of all manifestations is unity, a cosmic consciousness not understandable for humans. This unity creates all manifestations. From the subtle to the most dense matter, the most crystallized state of existence in the physical world we are living in. The crystallization process of consciousness went through 7 stages. Hence, the existence of 7 worlds, 7 bodies, 7 levels of consciousness. Each of these spheres of existence has a power center, a concentrated field of energy that acts as a transformer to a higher or lower world. Each center is also directly connected with the ultimate source. This pattern is found in all fields of existence. Therefore, the 7 major chakras reflect on different level of existence. Friends, you know, macrocosmos and microcosmos have the same nature. The law of microcosmos are also present in the macrocosmos. The seven chakras, the seven major chakras are situated in the Sushumna channel, which is the main nadi in the every center of the spine. Nadi are ethereal or subtle energy channels for vital energy in the body. You know, body is a microcosmos. Body represent as a microcosmos. The name of the seven major chakras are Mooladhara, Raj, the root chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Sexo chakra, the sex chakra, Manipura chakra, Ombligo, the navel chakras, and fourth is Anhat, collagen, the heart chakra, and fifth is Vibhuda, Vishuddha chakra, the garganta, the throat chakra, and sixth is Agni chakra, Frenet, the brow chakra, and last is Sahasrara chakra, the corona chakra, the crown chakra. The seven major chakra in our body, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anhat chakra, Vishuddha chakra, Ajan chakra, and Sahasrara chakra. In Tantra, in the beginning, Shiva and Shakti, the male and female principle of cosmic energy or consciousness, were united in the cosmic Sahasrara lotus, and we may say Saksara chakra. We may see in our picture the first root chakra. When Shakti as a woman, she represents power. Left Shiva 6 lotus flowers. The chakra sprang up from her footprints, leaving Shiva in this way. She created the entire universe from its most subtle realm of the most crystallized one. Each chakra left behind in the process of creation corresponds which one of these realm. This process of creation is also present within man from the Sahasrara chakra on. The crown of the head down, the spine of Mooladhara or root chakra, where Shakti now resides at one point in time. Shakti as a woman will rise up again and join her partner Shiva. Then she will take her entire creation with her and lives in unity. In Mooladhara chakra, the name means root support. Creation is in its most crystallized system. The element earth is attributed to this chakra. Mooladhara is situated near the tailbone. Here Shakti lives and she is waiting for the right time to return to Shiva. Shakti is symbolized by a serpent, and in this form she is called Kundalini. Kundalini Shakti is sleeping in Mooladhara and she is waiting to be awakened. Mooladhara lotus is 4 petals. The petals attributed to the lotus is contain a Sanskrit letter represent certain powers. Mooladhara is the seat of smell. A good working sense of smells is dependent on a well-developed Mooladhara. Mooladhara is a threshold to the first step of initiation through all the 7 major chakras on the spine. And we discuss about endocrine gland and color red. Adrenal gland Mooladhara is connected with the adrenal medulla above the kidney. The adrenal medulla secretes the hormone adrenaline. Adrenaline causes fear, anxiety, rage. It's narrow the blood vessels. The blood stream flows faster. The heart is stimulated and breathing becomes faster. More energy is released and consumed. Adrenaline in a hormone for cervical issues. And color red, at one end of the color spectrum, red corresponds with the physical world. The ends of crystallization process of the cosmic substance, red is associated with warning, anger, passion, craze, heroic virtue, stability, lust, blood, love. Red raises heart rate and blood pressure. Red clothes enhance sexual attraction but can also create anger. The red color is very important for creation. He creates sex attraction as well as anger also. Swadhisthana chakra, meaning residence of the self in the sense of the ego on the physical plane, contains some mysteries due to certain descriptions of this chakra. Friends, you know, the Swadhisthana chakra, residence of the self in the sense of the ego on the physical plane, contains some mysteries due to certain description of this chakra. Here we find the invisible Param Lingam, the concealed 8-petaled lotus. There are 8 petals. The petal lotus and the elusive Kand, which is not situated in Swadhisthana but nevertheless is connected with it. The mastery of the sex center also reflects in the moment of the theosophy, where Swadhisthana is not mentioned because this center near the reproductive organs is too dangerous. Instead, they talk about the spleen center. Swadhisthana is situated near the sacrum. The mastery of Swadhisthana is especially marked by the symbol of Paramalingam. This lingam or symbolic phallus is not visible in the chakra. It does not have color or form, in contrast with all the other forms and symbols attributed to the other chakras. Why is this? Is it that this lingam represents the higher purity of the process of creation, that humanity is not yet able to pursue it? The number of petals in Swadhisthana is 6. In general, 6 represent harmony, peace, equilibrium in duality. Vishnu consciousness is situated in this chakra. Vishnu is part of the Trinity, which also includes Brahma and Shiv. Brahma is the creative principle, Shiv is the destructive principle. The Vishnu is the maintaining principle, creating equilibrium. 6 is also the number of enemies coming forth from the ego of this level of existence. Desire, rage, greed, infatuation, pride, and envy. Kand is an energy center close to Swadhisthana chakra. It is a center out of which all nadis of the body arise. Nadis are ethereal channels for the flow of life energy. Color orange. Orange is not a primary color but secondary color. It is a result of blending red and yellow. Red belongs to Muladhara and yellow to Manipura chakra. The navel chakra is a mixture of the red and yellow, physical and intellect. Orange is an energy stimulator. It has a strong harmonizing and balancing effect. This way, it is very useful in healing and psychic feature. Swadhisthana is a center that, if not mastered, can easily drag us down. This is a center of slavery to other persons' wishes and demands. Actually, one is enslaving himself by lack of control over this center, a lack of energy and Other chakra is Manipura chakra. Manipura means city of precious stone or city of the sun. It is situated around the navel and has a connection with the solar plexus and the pancreas. As its name implies, the solar plexus has a relationship to the sun. Manipura means city of the sun. It is situated around the navel and has a connection with the solar plexus and the pancreas. As its name implies, the solar plexus has a relationship to the sun. Manipura is a reservoir where prana, life energy, is collected and accumulated and then transported to those areas of the body that need vital energy. Manipura is the medium for distribution and transformation of energy to body. Body functions. Manipura is also the transformer of thoughts into actions, of thoughts process, and of expression of feelings. Manipura is an important center that is active in relationship. It not only absorbs prana, energy from the environment, but also from people. This is how we pick up good or bad vibes from other people. The navel chakra corresponds to the elements fire. In this regard, Manipura regulates digestion, transformation, sublimation. In Manipura is the fire of transformation, the transformation of inorganic matter into organic matter, and from organic matter into psychic energy. Manipura can be seen as an alchemical oven. The eyes and feet are related to the navel chakra. Both are responsible for maintaining a good balance. The eyes are directly related to Manipur chakra. When digestion is bad, vision will be impaired. Chronic digestion problem will often result in loss of vision. Endocrine glands and pancreas. The pancreas produces two major hormones that control the handling of glucose and fatty acid fuels in the body. After a meal, when blood glucose rises, it directly causes insulin release. Color yellow. We have seen that Manipura is the transformer of thoughts into action, the thought process, and of expression of feelings. This corresponds to interpretation of yellow as an intellectual color. As the expression of the intellect, yellow stimulates the logical mind and reason. And psychic feature of Manipura Chakra. Manipura gives us insight into the abilities and talents of other beings and into the role of living beings in nature. Anhat means singular sound. It is the middle chakra in the line of 7. This is a fourth number chakra. What is below and what is above intertwines in Anhat. The upper and lower energy take on the form of two interlocked triangles. Anhat, the heart chakra, is the seat of the human ego. We point to the heart when we want to refer to ourselves. The physical ego has willpower, center, vitality, warmth, stability, radiance. A strong heart chakra shows talents of leadership and independence. Anhat shares with Mooladhara, root chakra, the image of lingam. In Mooladhara, the lingam stood for creation of the physical world. In Anhat, the heart chakra, the lingam represents the subtle or astral world. The third lingam is in Ajan, Bro chakra, where it stands for the causal or mental world. The skin is the organs that has its seat in Anhat. The skin is the threshold between the inner and outer world. Endocrine gland, the thymus. The thymus is the gland that gives self-confidence. A properly working thymus paves the way to success by confidence and faith in the right action. This is a spontaneous initiative process as we find it in children. However, around the age of 12, the thymus stops working almost entirely. It then work only on the very basic level to keep the body alive, but its connection with the brain ceases. Self-confidence is pushed to the background. Self-maintenance now arises, expressed by action or collecting thing. The thymus is closely connected with heart and blood. Color green. Green is the middle color of the spectrum and thus had balancing qualities. Green is essential a healing color. It is the color of growth and renewal. Green is the color not only of nature but also of elemental forces in nature. It is the color of the nature spirits, especially of elves and fairies, who often dress in green robe. Psychic feature: Anhat, the heart chakra, gives us the ability to gain insight in the mentality, the character of other beings. With it, we are able to feel the warmth. And next is Vishuddha Chakra. Vishuddha means pure. It is the center of purity. The syllable V means removal in all directions, totally, completely. Shuddha means pure, clear. Thus, Vishuddha means completely pure, clear in all directions. With the throat comes the ability to utter sound. The primordial sound Om consists of two pure sounds, the O and M. From this primordial sound emanated the six pure vowels which resides in Vishuddha. From here on the impure sounds, the consonants originated and took seat in the chakra below Vishuddha. Sahasrara and crown chakra above Vishuddha contains all the sounds together. The reason why vowels are considered pure is that when spoken the vocal cords are strained but the voice channel remains open, which is not the case with. The throat chakra governs the area of the throat, vocal cords, and the entire voice channel. Vishuddha has the elements of ether. In ether, the four elements are united as one. At the same time, ether brings forth the four elements. Ether has an expanding quality. It likes to expand and fill the entire universe. It transcends boundaries and knows no direction. Likewise, the throat chakra helps us expand our awareness. Endocrine gland, the thyroid, in front of the larynx and the trachea is the thyroid gland. The thyroid produces thyroxine and triiodothyronine. They act throughout the body to maintain activity of all metabolic pathways in the cells at the steady rate. Energy produced and energy using process are increased. The fuel storage is reduced by hydroxine. The thyroid secretion also directly influences the digestion. The thyroid gland requires much of the dietary iodine intake. and cannot function adequately if this element is lacking. The thyroid has a strong influence on the glands. The influence sex appetite, menstruation, and pregnancy. Color blue. Blue has a cooling, calming effect. It is relaxing. It is connected with initiation and gaining knowledge from other planes. Blue is the color of the sky, and through the sky we enter into the heavenly realms. Psychic feature: 8 of the 16 petals of Vishuddha have already been developed in the distinct past of man. The 8 qualities corresponding with these petals are the way in which we required ideas or mental image, the way we make decision, speech, and ordering of other actions, and arrangement and organization of action. And sixth chakra is Agya chakra, means rule and commands. As it is from here and other chakra are guided. In Agya, we find the third of the three lingams. The lingam in Mooladhara, root chakra, gives entrance to the physical world. The lingam in Anhat and heart chakra gives enters to substral or astral world. The lingam in Agya gives entrance to causal or mental world. In main karma works on the level of this causal body, which is connected to Agya. In the causal body, all information is stored about our past and past lives. Things in the present, the future that will happen to us are based on this information. For example, the place, time, and circumstance of birth will be determined by what has happened in previous lives. Past and future create a tension that caused the present to come. Traditionally, Agya has two petals. Only two petals. The petals of Agya resolve with a particular frequency. When one is able to tune its frequency of perception with the frequency of Agya, one will see all the petals. Endocrine gland, the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the main endocrine center between the endocrine system and nervous system. It also releases growth hormone. The hypothalamus controls sleep and waking, body temperature, and appetite. It regulates our mood, alertness, sensitivity to pain, eating, drinking, Sexual activity. The hypothalamus controls the front part of the pituitary gland by secreting hormones that flow into the pituitary gland through tiny connecting blood vessels. Color indigo, Neela. Indigo is result of mixing the three primary colors red, yellow and blue. Let us have a look at the three lingams. The first one in Muladhara root chakra is called the Swayambhu Lingam, which is red, a primary color, and second one in Anahat, the heart chakra, is called the Bone Lingam, which is green, secondary color. Made from yellow and blue. And third one is Agya and is called Itra Lingam, which has indigo color, that tertiary color made from yellow, blue and red. Indigo helps with making connection with the higher self. It promotes intuition and it is the color of wisdom, philosophy and science. It is connected with the development of intuitive thinking and with deductive reasoning in order to expand the known towards to unknown. It opens the door of the subjective self to the objective no self. Psychic feature. Concentration of Agya situated between the eyebrow can produce out of the body and other spiritual experiences. The center is the gateway to other realm. One can also concentrate on the lake of the head, where the back door of Agya in Agya. And seventh is crown chakra. In Tantra, the realization of Sahasrara is the goal of every yogi. It is the primary route of liberation. Once Sahasrara has been realized, rebirth in the world of illusion is no longer necessary. Sahasrara links up to the divine sea of light and kingdom of light, out of which everything has emanated. The Sahasrara lotus traditionally has 1,000 petals. This number is symbolic and means unlimited. Sahasrara is like an invisible sun in rest, existing above all and realms of creation in unity. Endocrine gland, the pituitary gland, Agya and Sahasrara have a close connection on the physical level. The pituitary gland is attached to the upper edge of the inner portion of the brain. It is the size of a small pea and sits protected in a bony depression. The Turkish saddle. At the base of the skull, it produces melatonin, a chemical that produces sleep, melatonin, which is affected by light. According to esoteric techniques, the pituitary gland is a remnant of an earlier phase of evolution, but not in the sense that it is pinging away. The third eye, which was active in man earlier evolution, is not a physical organ but a subtle one. The fact that is not active anymore means that man does not know how to use it anymore. Color violet. Violet is at the end of the color spectrum and stands for the transition to the invisible realm. In relation to Sahasrara, it creates a connection with the divine essence in man and with the divine itself. It is gateway to the entire cosmos. It is a magical color and sublimates everything to spiritual gold. Psychic feature. The crown chakra connected with the divine, with the kingdom of light, with Christ. From the crown of the head, a golden energy cord goes towards the divine source. We are all continuously connected with the divine. Nobody is left alone. The golden cord nourishes us with divine food. The picture of the Arcano, hygienic man. Arcano 2, sex and power. The high priestess. Third arcano is the empress, sex and power. And fourth is emperor, root and heart. The many type arcano. Sex and heart, the initiate, the lovers, power and heart with sex, root and throat, the will, icha, sex and throat, the justice, power and throat, the hermit, sant, sadhu, heart and throat, the fortune, Lakshmi, bhagya, root and inner eye, kundalini, women, sex and inner eye, the unconscious, power and inner eye, transformation, heart and inner eye, temperance, throat and inner eye, illusion, root and crown, the tower, sex and crown, the star being, power and crown, the moon, and heart and crown, the sun, throat and crown, awakening, inner eye and crown, the universe. After the complete of the lecture, we may discuss some MCQs for examination purpose. First MCQs: in how many parts is human life divided according to Vedic philosophy? A4, B6, C8, D5. A is correct answer, 4. In which bhav the surrendering attitude of the servant to his master is involved? A. Dasya bhav, B. Sakhya bhav, C. Prati bhav, and D. Madhuri bhav. A is correct answer, Dasya bhav. And question number 3 is pranayam means regulation of breath, B. posture, C. sleep, D. dvana. A is correct answer, regulation of breath. Raj Yoga is the yoga of controlling our A. sense organs, B. organs of action, C. mind, and D. our emotions. C is correct answer, mind. Rechak process should be completed in A. 10 seconds, B. 5 seconds, C. 7 seconds, and D. 9 seconds. A is correct answer, 10 seconds. Select the asana which helps to reduce hypertension. A is Trikonasana, B. Chakrasana, C. Savasana, and D. Sukhasana. C is correct answer, Savasana. And question number 7 is 6 technical subjects related to Veda are known as वेदांग, संहिता, ब्राह्मणास या आरण्यास. A is correct answer, वेदांग. 6 वेदांग. And stress hormone: melatonin, B. insulin, C. cortisol, and D. serotonin. C is correct answer, cortisol. And question number 9, the original language of yoga is A. Hindi, B. Sanskrit, C is Latin, D. Greek. B is correct, Sanskrit language. And question number 10 and last question, the other name of yogic enema is A is Noli, B. Dhoti, C. Basti, and D. Tratak. C is correct answer, Basti is also called a yogic enema. And the Desino and alchemy, the image of the parts of the chakra card set made by Carol Harris. I take the image of by this book, from this book, Chakra Mandala and Chakra Arcans del Tarot. Thank you very much.